Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Today I'm revealing my BoxyCharm whimsy theme box for the month of December. So what we have in it this month is Storybook Cosmetic Fairy Tales palette, Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, Ciate Marble Light Illuminating Blusher, Fresh Soil Face Cleanser, Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, Enter Beauty Face Setting Face Mist, Kat Von D Eyeliner Tattoo Liner, QMS Medic Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector, and Rituals Shower Gel. So let's start with the Elemis. Let's see here. The price for this is $79. Alright. So then we have the Melted Cosmetic Lipstick. And this is going for $21. So that should not match me at all. Not for my complexion. Now if I was, I don't know, I'll probably just give it away. Alright, we have the Ciate Marbled Light, which goes for $26. So let's see here. That is so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna rock this. It might be a little too light for my complexion, but I'm sure gonna try to rock it. And that goes for, I think I already said $26, yeah. So this is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. This is one that I chose for this month's theme. And this here goes for, let's see here, goes for $200. Wow. I'm really going to use that one to death. Alright, so we have WM Beauty Project Power Up Face Setting Mist. And this here goes for $32. Let's see. This is the Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. Alright, we got a second row here. Alright, we have this fresh face cleanser. Let's go in a little closer with that. Alright, this is the face cleanser. Big old bottle, should last me for a while. Or whoever I give it to should last them for a while. Right, I'm gonna look forward to using this. I like shower gels that smells good, and I like Ritual. So I've only really tried them in the small travel size, the deluxe travel size. So this is the first time I've had a full bottle. So I look forward to using that. And last but not least, right? Alright, the Ritual went for, let me see. That shower gel goes for $9.50. And this here goes for $55. See if I can open them. I'm working against myself. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Let's get closer. Looking at it. Okay. I look forward to using that. Alright, well, that's been my BoxyCharm box for the month of December. So thank you for watching, and it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.